By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to withdraw your promotion bonus, cashback, save as you transact, the new method, the new way. So a lot of people have asked how to withdraw your promotion bonus, how to withdraw your cashback on Moniepoint. And the generic default old method that has been set was for you to go to a web browser, search for atm.moniepoint.com to do your withdrawal. That is a whole long process. That is an outdated process. So this video, I'm going to show you the current process on how to withdraw your promotion bonus, cashback, and save as you transact. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to other people you know it might be helpful to. With that being said, let's dive in straight. So my name is Ebube James, a business relationship manager at Moniepoint, and I'm opportunity today to be the one presenting and hosting this class or this tutorial. So if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. Let's get straight to the point. First of all, before you can be able to do this method we have explained in this video, you have to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store to update your Moniepoint business app. Note one, you can only withdraw your promotion bonus from the business app, like from your business app, not from your personal. So if you're using the personal and thinking you'll see your promotion bonus, you not see your promotion bonus there. So you are going to be using that. Now, if you already understand all this whole part of with difference between Moniepoint personal and Moniepoint business, let's move to the next one. So go to your App Store or Google Play Store. You already have the app installed, so what you do is you update. Updating this app make your Moniepoint business app to be on the latest version of the updated one that the Moniepoint team has updated it to. And now you will love this new tab because everything is a go-to scene area. Unlike the first layout that was so timid, you have to navigate to find whatever you are looking for. But in this new layout I'm going to show you, so right now you're going to see everything displayed at the bottom of your screen: the home, the cards, the rewards, and everything in between. So once you are done updating your mobile app from the Play Store, from App Store, log into your Moniepoint, open the app. So let me just take my phone and show you this. So guys, when you log into your Moniepoint business app, this is how the whole screen is. You're going to see your amount, your reward bonus. Now your reward bonus is different from your referral bonus. Your referral balance and your reward balance is two different things. Your referral balance is the commission you get from people you have referred using your unique referral link, but the reward bonus are your cashback and promotion bonus combined that you have gotten using the Moniepoint business app for transaction on your POS, or buying of data airtime. So with that being said, let's navigate very quick on how you can withdraw your reward bonus. So before it was called promotion bonus, but now everything has been defined and combined together to become the reward bonus, which now you can now see it at this session. But before it was beneath your account balance, but now you can now find it at this session. So, and if you want to cash your reward balance out, what you all have to do is navigate to the reward icon beneath your screen to cash out, or tap on this reward balance to cash out. You are also going to see a detailed history of how your cashbacks and reward bonus have been accumulated. So you're going to be able to see a detailed history of how your cashback and your reward bonus has been accumulated. So what you can do all times, I have not withdraw any of my total reward bonus or promotion bonus past time, so that's why you're seeing zero balance here. But if you have done the withdraw before, you're going to see what you have withdrawn. That is all time total reward bonus is total of all your promotion bonus and cashback that you have withdrawn, and see the whole history of what you have withdraw. Since there is not initiated before, now let me initiate withdrawing 1000 naira for my reward bonus, for my promotion bonus, for my cashback bonus. This is everything combined. So let's use that one word called reward bonus, reward balance. So now I hope you understand. I will take it again. Now, when you log into your Moniepoint dashboard, your Moniepoint mobile app, not on the atm.moniepoint.com now from web browser, everything is now possible directly from your mobile app. Directly from your mobile. So the mobile app users, thumbs up. So click on the reward balance. Allow it to properly load. Then click on Cashout. Now there will be a pop-up screen saying Cashout reward. Now your 1000, the amount of your reward balance, will be transferred to your bank account details. So it's showing the accounts attached to that POS, that account that you are clicking on withdraw. So this is for your account that is connected to this your account cashback or promotion bonus that you have been doing. But let me show you something real quick. This is totally different from your save as you transact. Let me show you something. This is for withdrawal bonus. Let me show you something. Now I have save as you transact turned on this particular account. Yes, so let's look how much we have in our cashback and how much we have in our let's look how much we have in our reward balance and how much we have on our save as you transact. Note I have not long I said the save as you transact thing. So look at something. Let's see. Now this is how much I have in my save as you transact. Is 2,820 naira. 2,820 naira is what I have accumulated so far in my save as you transact. So me doing withdraw on reward balance is different from doing withdraw on save as you transact. Please, I'm going to do a next video to show you how to withdraw your save as you transact. Now on your reward bonus, so some previous months ago Moniepoint rolled out a very exciting and mouth-watering promotion cashback. So that have enabled some users to have an high cashback. That is, they were not collecting charges from you. Whatever you done your POS, whatever charges are supposed to go to Moniepoint went back to you. So that is why a lot of people have a lot of high cashback and now they want to withdraw their cashback or reward bonus balance. So this is how to do it. So this video is totally entire for how to withdraw your reward balance. Let's do that on our next video. I'm going to show you how to withdraw your cash, your save as you transact. So on this screen now, click on rewards, click on Cashout. So you are cashing out 1,356 naira 20 kobo to your Moniepoint business account tied to that particular account that had that reward balance. I will show you my account that also have cashback and withdraw everything. So let's withdraw now. Let's see what as it's loading. Gonna see. So as we take our time to load on this reward balance, if you have not subscribed, please click on subscribe button, like, comment, share, and show this video, show this channel to someone else successfully. I did not even require putting my pin. Once I request on that cash out, you already know that I'm the one logging to the account and it has cash out successful. Cash out successful. Congratulations, your cash out of 1,356 naira 20 kobo from your reward wallet was successful. Close. Now we have 48,000 something in our reward balance. Now our total accumulated reward available balance now is now 50,120 added to that. So I promise to show you something. Now in this our account, we can now see that we have nothing on our promotion bonus again. So you can start counting for a new exciting this thing. So make transfer to get this reward card. You have to make transfer, deposit, buy time, pay with your card. So let me check my other account and you see that we have the balance in it. This is my other of my account. Now you see that Okay, so the money has entered my balance, and that is it for that. So you can see how to withdraw your reward balance from this balance. Our next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your referral balance, how to withdraw your save as channel, or let me just do withdrawing of referral balance. Let me switch and show you at least as an addition to this video on how to withdraw referral balance. So to withdraw your referral balance, navigate to the account you wish to withdraw the money to and tap on the referral balance and click on Cashout. So we can just withdraw 1,000 naira, and also click on this Cashout. So I guess this one will require us putting our pin. So you see people, and the thing has been cash out. You see that this referral balance is being cashed out, and our balance is 150 naira. Now it have added to our main balance. Can you see now? So if you feel that this video was helpful, please like, comment, share this video, and in the comment section you can drop a suggestion of another video that we can do that will be very helpful to you. So now you know how to withdraw your referral balance, your reward bonus. Again, I said for recap purpose that your referral bonus is now located here. So this is where your reward bonus is now located. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Peace out.